My plan is to continue to be a gold buyer, and I think gold is going to break the previous all-time high. Let's find out why. Hi, I'm Jake from Simple Elite Traders. Every weekend, we share our best trading opportunity market update on Forex market, stock market, and cryptocurrency market. It would be best for you to follow along if you join our private trading community because we share our best simple trading profitable system and daily trading opportunity. So therefore we'll show you where to buy and where to sell the instrument. If you'd like to join, we're offering it for free for 30 days trial. You can join simply on the link in description, or I'll put a pinned comment on this video. So look forward to seeing you in our trading community. Let's get right into gold. All right, so why do I want to buy gold? If you haven't seen it, I will drop the link in the description. I've done it to show you why seasonally and the COT data is supporting on buying gold. You can see this is a weekly chart from our trading broker IG. 3 times gold tried to break the 2060 barrier, and I think the more it tries to break, the more likely it will break. And this time round, you see last time when it reject, it just tanked, but this time when it reject, we're now finding support around this area and slowly charging. I think we are going to see a fresh new high. How high? We shall see, but I have already started to invest on some of the gold mining stock. If you'd like to know what it is, best way to do it is to join my private trading community because I share everything through there. Simply to join by the link in the description or the pinned comment. All right, so what's the plan now trading gold? The plan is quite simple. We saw a 3 days reversal through here. This blue box is quite important, the 1960 area. If you drop down to a 4 hour, you can see it's quite a lot of interaction through this area here. What I like to see is the weekly pivot on Monday. Let's see if it can step up. I think it will be. So let's see how much it step up on the weekly pivot through this area, probably around here. And then I'll use a smaller time frame for a reversal pattern to go long on gold. Simple as that. If you'd like to learn more, you can join our community. We'll explain a lot more in depth on our trading system. Okay, so plan is to be a buyer on gold. Let's have a quick look on silver. Silver's bullish. Let's just clear up the weekly pivot a bit. So daily chart, we are seeing a bit of reversal. I like to see price stay above this. This is a soft level right here, so I like to see this stay because that will maintain. So around the 2460 area. Go to 4 hours, you will see a little bit more detail. You can see a lot of interaction around this 2460 area. See, a lot of interaction here, a bit of interaction here. Now around this area. Okay, when it's trending, I like to see the 4 hour trend continue, stay above you. Let me explain that a little bit more. So, why am I doing that? Wait me a second. So the EMA is really clearly to see when it's trending up, the 20, so the blue line and the 50 line doesn't cross, and it likes to bounce on the 20 EMA when it's really trending. Now we are at the junction of now with the 50 EMA, which is okay as long as it doesn't cross. So I like to see price probably range around here, not much longer, and Monday, Tuesday, I'll look for a smaller pattern to go long. But I do like trading gold a little bit more than silver. However, I like to see 2 of them do similar things. All right, so that's the plan on community. I thought I'd swap around. Usually I go through the dollar index first, but the main plan is really trading the gold and silver this week. Let me explain to you guys why. Because the currency side, sometimes when you only solely focus on Forex, it may not capture the best opportunity because we are seeing a bit of ranging. All right, I'm going to start off with dollar yen. Yen is the same instrument, risk-off, similar kind of instrument of gold and silver. So dollar yen, we are seeing a bit of pullback, but obviously this is very strong. The phase one's strong. Okay, we did see like one push higher on Friday. What I like to see on Monday is swift reversal. Stay under this monthly pivot, which is very, very important that it stay below. So the 14260 area needs to stay below. Then I think I will use this as my correlation to buy gold rather than sell the Japanese yen. But I like to see this stay below the monthly pivot. All right. Okay, now dollar index is pulling back a bit of phase 2, daily phase 2, but important that I like to see it stay below around the 101.30 area and then continue to be a dollar seller, which is probably good for buying gold because they do have, you know, a slight inverse correlation between the US dollar and gold. Australian dollar, we're seeing a bit of weakness through here already. I said this last week on the 69. It is a resistant level, so now price is drifting lower. You know, perhaps it's more the sentiment from the stock industry. If you haven't seen my video of the stock market plan, go ahead and check it out from our channel, because usually we'll do a few videos, one for stock, one for Forex, one for cryptocurrency, and sometimes individual stock as well. So make sure you subscribe if you don't want to miss any trading opportunity, all right? Okay, moving on to the British pound. Well, it's a bit awkward at the moment. I think, you know, we are seeing obviously a big phase 1, and now this phase 2 is a lot stronger than my liking. So we could see this 130 handle as a double top or the next lower high to sell British pound. So it's not top of my list to buy or sell at the moment, but keep an eye on the 130 area. Kiwi as well, showing a lot of weakness, okay, and there probably the sentiment again driven by the stock market, so gaining a bit of strength through the dollar. Dollar Swiss is quite interesting. Swissy is still very strong, so we had very little buying from the dollar against the Swissies, which is great because Swiss is kind of like the Japanese yen, it's more a risk-off currency. So, you know, I'm risk-off at the moment. I want to buy gold, so I like to see, you know, Swiss continue to outperform the US dollar. US dollar CAD, so it's not the greatest chart to trade. We may see a phase 2 back to this area here, but ultimately I don't like the chart, so don't want to touch it too much. So that's all for me this week. My main plan is still going to be a metal buyer. Gold and silver are top of the list. Do you agree with me? Drop a comment below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching and see you guys next week.